What is up, everybody? This is Stock Market Education, and today we're going to be talking about Amazon and whether or not it's a buy. Let's get into it. When you look at Amazon, you can see that they have a high PE ratio of 75.45, which is mostly due to the fact that they are currently in their growth stage. Even at an $850 billion market cap, they're still growing. When we look at Amazon's annual net revenue, we can see that their revenue is at $280 billion and has gone up every year since 2004. It is extremely impressive. I mean extremely impressive when you see a company that has been in their growth stage for 16 years straight and is expected to continue growing. Their earnings estimates are very interesting. This year in 2020, their estimates are expected to be 28.73, and next year's earnings are expected to be 40.14 for a percentage increase of 40%, which is huge compared to last year's EPS percentage increase of 25%, which is still extremely impressive. This is mostly due to Amazon's web services, which is their cloud computing service that allows companies to be able to store more data. Their guidance for Q1 2020 is expected to be 16 to 22% growth. However, this might change due to the current circumstances compared to Q1 2019, which shows that Amazon is still growing at an impressive rate. When we look at their statement of operations, we can see that their net product sales grew from $118.5 billion all the way up to $160.4 billion for a percentage increase of 35%. Their operating income grew from $4.1 billion all the way up to $14.5 billion for a percentage increase of 254%. That is some crazy growth in ops. Lastly, their net income increased from $3 billion all the way up to $11.5 billion for a percentage increase of 282%. I mean, what more can you say? What more could you ask for? When you look at the stock chart, you can see that the price has tested the $1,700 level 3 times, and Stochastics is indicating that the stock is oversold and should bounce back. However, if we take a look at the 5-year price chart, it is entirely possible that Amazon could free fall past the $1,700 mark down to the $1,400 mark. With these uncertain times, it's hard to tell where the price is going to go short term. During 2019, Amazon's stock shot up 40.85%, which is 17% more than the S&P 500's return of 24.02%. It is so important to invest in stocks that you think can beat the markets, because that's why we put in the time to research companies, to get a return on our time, to outperform the S&P, the Dow, the Russell. And if you don't want to do the research, that's perfectly fine. Just buy an ETF and hold it. But if you're watching this video, you're clearly willing to put in the time to research stocks so that you can beat the markets by 2 to 3% a year. And now with the S&P 500 down nearly 30%, this is a once-in-a-lifetime buying opportunity that you'll regret if you don't get in on it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and have a great day. Bye.